through this one. We're sketching this time. We've done a lot of ones with positive gradients. We haven't really dealt with the negative gradients. Just got to remember, I did mention that positive gradients, if you look at the graph going from left to right, positive gradients are going up. Okay, so you look as though you're walking up the hill, whereas negative gradients, you're walking down the hill. Okay, so they're very, very similar. All right, first thing to do in this one, sketch the function y equals 3 minus 2x. First thing to do is write down what the gradient is. Now they've written gradient here on the example. I'm just going to put m next to it so you remember that the gradient is actually denoted by the letter m and the y-intercept is b. All right, so what's the gradient in this particular one? Excellent, minus 2. Don't forget the sign comes along with it. Okay, it's the coefficient of x, whatever the number is in front of x, and don't forget you have to take the sign. And the y-intercept, 3, because it's the constant. Excellent. All right. Next thing you do is start marking your points on the graph. Easiest one to do is your y-intercept, because you know your x value is 0, and you've already worked out what your y value is. So your y-intercept is 3, so we go to 0, 3, which is that point right there. Put the point. The next thing you're going to do, this is where you use your gradient. Remember, you use your gradient to work out what your rise over run is, because gradient is rise over run. So you've got a rise of minus 2 over 1. Okay, because you've got a negative. Your rise isn't a positive, it's a negative. So you're going down 2. So your rise is minus 2. So you go down 2 and across 1, which makes your point right there. Does that make sense? You were at this point. Your gradient is minus 2. Rise over run. So your rise is minus 2, your run is 1. So we go down 2 and across 1. Yeah? Okay. Alright. Well, here you go. Do the next point. So from that point, which is 1, 1, do your next point. Go down 2 and across 1. Should be done by now. Went down 2, cross 1. So you were at 1, 1. So go down 2, you're at minus 1. And you're going across 1. So you're at minus 1, 2. Everyone happy with that? Then we just join the lines. Don't forget, you're going to use arrows on both sides. Because that line will go on and on forever. Okay? The arrows denote the fact that it goes on. Everyone happy with that? That wasn't too bad. It's a good start to the morning.